This year is really about building relationships. It's not necessarily the money that we have, because you can have the money and still can't do the things that you really want to do. But if you have the relationships, doors can open. So to me, relationships are very valuable. To me, more valuable than actually the finances. Once you get the finances, you can do other things, but you need to have strong relationships. So build relationships with other independent owners, other LLCs, other businesses, other people who can see your value and the value you have to offer, because they understand that having the right relationship is better than having enough money, because you can pay for something and still don't get the deal or still don't get the value of what you're really trying to get. But if you have someone that really believes in what you do and you believe in what they do, and they give you a price and they do it, you know it's going to get taken care of. So relationships are very important, and I just wanted to come to you and say that, because I think like doing doing what we're going through right now, it's going to be about the relationships we build with our people, with one another, with different tradesmen, with different businesses. It's going to be the relationships, man. The relationships are so valuable. So don't belittle building your relationships with your community, with another small business, with another independent owner, because that's what's going to take us to the next level. Hold on.